Test after repair.
On a white and cold morning, she left without. She said she wouldn't stay away for long. Well, I guess she had lied as the days dragged slowly by. I sat down and wondered what.
Test pass.